Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solution. So in the performance management, today we are going to see the performance role. So let's talk about the performance roles. So we are going to create the performance role to expand the scope of the performance evaluation to include feedback from the participant other than the worker and the worker's manager. To implement multi-participant feedback, you must first define the roles that can participate in the process. Okay, so to make role eligible to provide feedback, you must define the performance role, provide a description for the role, make role available for the performance document, and associate questionnaires to the roles when using the questionnaires. Okay, so let's just move to the application and see how we can perform this task, how we can create the performance role. So I'm logged in as an HR specialist. So there is a two-way to go to the performance role option. First is the My Client group. From here, under the performance, you can you can find the performance role task under the setup maintenance. Here you can see that. And the same way, if we just go back to the home page, and then under the quick action, just scroll down and then click on the show more option. And here you have to find the talent. Okay, under the talent, here you can find your performance role. Here it is. Okay, just open it. So both the page are same, the configuration page are same where you can create your roles. If you want to search any existing role, you can just click on the search option. And if you know your existing role name, you can just type the name here and then click on the search. Okay. And if you don't, just click on the search option without put any information here. Okay. So we are going to create new one. So let's just click on the create option. So you can create as many roles as required for the evaluation process that your organization employs. For example, you might have participant roles such as a peer or mentor, or participant role to facilitate the matrix management review. So you may have additional manager role used in the performance template where the default manager type is not the line manager, such as a project performance document where the default manager is a project manager. Okay. So first we have to select the role type, either manager or the participant. If the role type is the manager, then select the manager type. And if here you can select your default manager uh, for this role, like the line manager, the project manager, the regional manager, the mentor or mentee relationship, the resource manager, and the legal relationship. If you select here the role type, if you select the participant, so you don't have to define any default role type. Okay. So here we are going to select the participant. Okay. Now, here we have to enter the name of the role, for example, matrix project manager or the peer, right? So let's just find the, because we are creating the participant, so we are define the name as a peer or the mentor. Okay. Now enter a description. This is the optional, but if you want, you can just enter your description here. Okay, let's see. Sorry. P role for accessing document and providing feedback. Okay. Then we have to specify the from date and the to date. So these dates have to overlap with the template dates to be validate for use in that template. For example, the role from date can be before the template date as long as the role to date is not before the template from date. The role to date can also be after the template to date as long as the role from date is not after the template to date. Okay. So for example, let's define from date as today's date, and then to date is let's say 26 31st December. Okay. And from the status drop down list, select the active if not already selected here. Okay. And then select the allow role to view workers, manager, and participant rating, comment, and the questionnaires. You want to the role to be able to view worker and manager evaluation, then you have to check this box on. Okay, so participant with this role can view the ratings, comment, and the questionnaire submitted by the other roles that are also visible to the manager when they open the performance document from the My Feedback Request page. Okay, then let's click on the save. And it's confirmation appeared. Let's click on the save. Okay. So here you define your role description. So along with the role name, you can add a description for the role. The description appear on the manage participant feedback page. And then you can make roles available to the access the performance document. So the participant roles you create along with the manager and worker role are eligible to access the performance document to provide ratings and comments on content and feedback on the questionnaire. So you must select the roles in the performance template to enable them access to the performance document. Okay, so let's now click on the save and close. Okay, so this is how we can create the performance rule in the performance management module under the Oracle Fusion. Okay, here it is about. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this topic is clear to you.